In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the gear case gasket on a DeWalt grinder. The gear case gasket forms a sill between the lower gear case and the gear case cover. Its purpose is to keep the lubrication from seeping out of this assembly. Over time, this gasket can become brittle, and if it does, you will see some leakage from the gear case assembly. Replacing the gear case gasket is easy to do, and we're going to show you how. Gear case gaskets, as well as many other parts, can be found on our website. Let's get started. I'll begin by removing the gear case cover. Here's our gasket. I'll separate it from the cover. Now we can install the new gasket. You'll notice that there's these tabs on the front of the gasket, and they go in these holes on the cover. Then I'll just line up the gasket all the way around the cover. And I'll install the cover and new gasket back onto the grinder and secure it with the screws.